Hello everyone, this is Alarm System Tech here with a quick video on how to enable synchronization with a Notifier NFS-320 or 640. So to do this, you press the enter button, then 1 for programming, and then enter the default password, which can be found in the manual. Once that's entered, you can press the enter button. Acknowledge the system. The panel is just telling you that it's in programming mode. Press 1 for basic programming, and then 6 for special function, and F8 is our signal coding. Now as you can see, mine is set for system sensor strobe. So let's say you had Gentex or Wheelock, you use the plus and minus to navigate through the different options on this screen. So if we scroll up, we got Gentex synchronization, Wheelock synchronization, and then if we keep going, we got different signal codings for like horns or whatever. There's code 3. So if we go back down, I'm going to leave this as system sensor strobe. We're going to press enter on that and escape out of that screen. Now what we need to do, we're not done yet, we need to go to 2 for point programming and 1 for modify point, and this button that has the and symbol, that is your output, so we need to press and the A will start blinking. 1 through 4 is your NAC, so we're only using NAC 1, so we're going to press 1 and enter. Now as you can see, I have that labeled as a strobe circuit. Again, you use the plus and minus to scroll through the options. So if it was a horn circuit, I can label it as that, or I have a bunch of different options, but for now I'm going to keep this on a strobe circuit. Now the zone 80 here, it's not too much to worry about unless you're planning on having a software zone disable for when you're doing testing. That's just the zone we use here in our state. Zone 80 is what we use to bypass these speaker strobes on the system. Zone 0, you want to leave that in. If it's not already in there, I would highly suggest putting 00 in the first control by event, because that is the general alarm zone, and you want your NAC to go off when there is a general fire alarm. And then F8, we need to map that. So when you push F8, you're letting the panel know that NAC 1, whatever NAC 1 goes off, it needs to correspond with special function 8, which is the synchronization protocol. So you would put F8 in the next control by event. Star FW, right now my NACs are set to silenceable. That's per the NFPA code, the recent NFPA code, how strobes aren't supposed to flash after they're silenced. So if the F is starred out, you might want to push F over that second star to make it silenceable. Bell circuit 1, that's just B01, Bell circuit 1, fancy name for NAC 1 in this case. And then after all that's done, you just press escape until you're back to the main screen. Now your synchronization should be enabled. If you have any further questions, please feel free to comment, and thanks for watching.